Well, we've all heard the stories about how bad the 5200 controller is. We've seen countless videos, people hating on the crazy controller in the system. But there's a lot of options out there, you know. This controller here, I've put the gold upgrade kit from Best Electronics in, which means it has gold contacts for the keypad, the fire buttons, and the start, pause, and reset up here. I rebuilt this controller 2 years ago, and it still works perfectly fine. I also use a Masterplay clone, which is another option for the 5200 to be able to play the games and everything. But now, we have something brand new. Now, this was done by Herb Schaltager. I hope I pronounced your name right, dude. I'm terrible at pronouncing names. But anyway, this is a replacement board, or a new board, for the 5200 to make your own custom controller. So it has an analog thumbstick. Awesome. We got our keypad here. We have our start, our reset, and everything there. Pretty cool. And we got our fire buttons. You can get one of these really cool custom cases off eBay that's custom printed for this board to go into. And it comes with a selection of buttons. I picked black, but you get different colors of buttons if you want to. So this, and you also need one of these extension cables, 15 pin for the 5200 as well, because this will plug in to that connector there and into your 5200. So let's put this bad boy together. So first we're going to open up this case like so. Open up a little bag here of all the our little stuff, our little buttons and screws. Bloop. So there we go, there's all the screws and everything. So let's put the buttons in first. So here we have, this goes this way. This way, there we go, a fire button. Another fire button. Alright. Then we have our keypad buttons. Just go like so. Wait a minute, that's 2, so that goes here. There's 2. Let's see, what number is this? This one's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This goes right here in the middle. This number here is, number is this? Pound. Oh, I don't remember where pound goes. Where's that controller? Okay, pound goes here. Put one, whoop, other way. One right there. Like so. Another one right there. There we go, a little tight. Not too bad though. Uh-oh. Missing a button. Uh-oh. Mayday, mayday, missing a button. Rats, where'd it go? Did I get a button? Okay, gotta pause the video. Well, rats, evidently, the person I got this off of eBay, they shorted me one of these little small circle pads. So I opted not to install the pause feature on this controller until I get a new one. But I'm going ahead and put the thing together anyway. Stick it on this side first. This should make it a little bit easier to put in. See if I can snap. Oh, there we go. Yeah, duh. Should have did that first. It snaps in the back. Awesome. Alright. Now let's get it put together. Snappy, snappy. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, check it out. Pretty awesome. So we got our thumbstick, got our numbers. Pretty cool. Got our fire buttons, our start and reset, which I need to loosen up a little bit because it's a little tight. That's okay, I can work on that. So next we put the screws in the back. And after we put these screws in, we would then plug in our extension cable into the front right here, like so. Doop. And then we'll give it a try. Awesome. So here we go. Here it is with the cable plugged in the back. No, I really had to modify this cable to get it into this crazy controller. Maybe you'll have better luck finding an extension cable than I did, but I really had to cut it down in order to plug this crazy thing in. Look at this. I really had to trim it up. The problem is, if you try to plug it in, these little screw caps here, these little bolt heads, get in the way. If you take these out, then this shield part pops out. So you got to have them in there. So I had to cut away my extension cable in order to give enough depth to fully engage all the pins and get it to plug in correctly. Just like that. There we go. So that's one thing to be aware of when you're buying an extension cable. Try to find one that's got a nice thin wall to it and everything. Anyway, enough of that. Now, let's give this a try. Okay, let's try the buttons out on the controller here. Move the joystick around. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's awesome. Cool, cool. Okay, let's try the keypad out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have the pound, 0, and the star. We have our start, reset. We should have the pause button, which I don't have that button yet. I got to get that crazy thing. Awesome. Calibrate. Cool. So now, let's try a couple of games out and see how it works. Awesome. Ooh, that button works too. That's kind of cool. All right. Let's try Venture out with this new controller. Oh, I love the music to this. Get him! Get him! Oh! You're supposed to shoot him. Hit the wrong button. Rats! Try it again. Get him! Get him! Yes! Bloop! To the diamond room. I say, control's pretty nice until I died. Oopsie. Let's go in the snake room. Oh, it's a skeleton room. Oh, and I died again. Rats! Well, it is working pretty good, I have to say. Let's go up here. This is the snake room. Get him! Here we go. Get the apple. Got it! Ooh. Ooh. Cool! Well, let's try another game out. Oh, let's try Junior Pac-Man. Oh, this is awesome. This thumbstick is working really well. Oh! Oops. Oh, get the bicycle. Tricycle. Tricycle. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoa! Run! Run! Oh, no! Alright, let's try Donkey Kong. Boing. Oh no! Whoa! Whoa! Run, Mario, run! Oh! Oops. Let's try Galaxian. Awesome, this is cool. It's working pretty good. Not bad. Oh, Let's try Arcade Space Invaders. Oh, yes! Doom, 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 doom. Focus you. Oh, yeah, 60 points. Oh, yeah. Won't miss me. Oh, he's about to land. Oh, get. Oh, got nailed. No. Oh, they landed. Rats. Oh, yeah. Come here, you little yellow booger. Where'd you go? I see you on the radar. Whoa! No, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. No. Overall, this is actually a pretty good controller option for the 5200. It's pretty cool. I'll put a link down in the show notes on where to go on eBay to find the case. And I'll try to link you to where you can find these boards. I know there's a Facebook group that you can probably go to. But anyway, I also want to thank David from the Atari 5200 podcast for sending me this board in here. Pretty awesome that he did that. He sent it to me for free. Pretty cool. I really appreciate it, David. I'm really going to enjoy the 5200 now with this new controller. Anyway, as always, everyone, thanks for watching.